Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Oh, oh, what the heck happened? Oh no, what the heck happened here? Okay, we back. What's going on, fam? What's going on? Did you see what just happened? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, we might have to go back to Amazon. Give me a refund here. Let me see if I can prop this back up. What's happening, family? What's happening? I haven't seen you guys in a couple of days, but what's going on, everybody? What's going on? I know people been asking, where I been? Where I been? Boy, I've been working. I've been working. I tell people I don't live on YouTube, but I come on when I need to come on. When I pop out, I show out. When I pop out, I show out. Can anyone guess where I've been at? Can anyone guess where I've been at? I kind of been monitoring a few cases. I've been on a couple of TV shows, court TV shows, CourtTV. I was on CourtTV Monday and Tuesday. We did so well Monday, they brought us back on Tuesday. And they're bringing us back again. So I've been kind of busy with that, as well as some other things I can't really talk about just yet. But I want to talk about, this latest Diddy lawsuit as it relates to Diddy, as well as Vibe magazine being sued, named as a defendant in the lawsuit. You know, in CourtTV, we don't get a lot of time. I think we were on there for 30 minutes, and it was other guests there, 2 attorneys. Steve Greenberg, who represented R. Kelly, he was also a guest. And then we had another high-profile attorney on the show. But people were hitting me up about I don't know if you guys were able to see my appearance, but it is on the CourtTV website. And there's another one that they're going to release. I should have they sent me all the clips and everything, but I should have it probably next day or so. But yeah, we spoke about the lawsuit, in particular this latest one, where it's an individual who had filed a suit claiming that she was hired to be a sex worker at one of Diddy's white parties. And for those who don't know, I've covered a lot of Diddy, Puffy, Sean Combs parties. I would have had them show some of my work on the show, but legal reasons I couldn't do it, because some of the stuff is a part of my book, so I couldn't release it. So they had to go and pull images that were on public domain. My images were not, so I didn't release them. I did release one photo on Twitter, probably, I don't know, about a month ago. It's something that I'm not going to use for the book, but I did release some. In any event, there was some people who had an issue with my take on the situation. Mind you, the lawsuit, this is one of, I want to say this is probably his 10th or 11th lawsuit. And I was reminded that this is only civil cases. These are not criminal cases. There's been talk that maybe SDNY or Southern District of New York may pick up a charge Diddy. I don't know if that's the case. I mean, you know, we saw Diddy white water rafting. We saw him, you know, just living his best life. But quite honestly, the Cassie video that was released was very shocking. It was very damning to his image. But that video is not going to prove him guilty of all these claims made in these lawsuits. So we have to remember, we have to separate the two. And some people say, well, it's kind of hard to separate the two. And I understand, but these are some serious allegations. You had an And one of the exhibits in this latest lawsuit, you have a girl literally posing for the shot, but they add that picture in the lawsuit to sensationalize the allegation. It was a picture at a party, but that was added into the lawsuit. So my take was that you gotta look at these lawsuits and vet them out. You gotta vet these lawsuits out. You gotta make sure that these things can be substantiated, because anyone can file a lawsuit, and that's just a fact. But it has to be proven, and it could be a lot of legitimacy to these lawsuits. However, you have to dissect what's in these lawsuits and not take it as face value. You investigate, and I'm sure that Puffy's team is going to investigate each individual making these claims, and a good investigator will probably do a lot of digging and making sure that what is being said is not something that someone has said before that could possibly be construed as a money grab. But yeah, let's see. Oh, that part I didn't understand. No, Diddy's not arrested. No, he's not arrested. No. We're talking about the latest lawsuit. And the other part of this is Vibe magazine was also named as a defendant. Now, Vibe was a media sponsor for Diddy's party. Vibe probably shouldn't have even been in that lawsuit. And they're probably going to get released from the lawsuit at some point. But the mere fact that, you are making an allegation, you attended a party that was sponsored by Vibe magazine, you might need a little more to be able to have them as a defendant in the case. And I know the people that used to run Vibe. Vibe had probably 5, 6, 7, 8 owners. You guys remember Quincy Jones he used to be a part of Vibe magazine. And, there was some very good writers that were in part of Vibe. I have photos in Vibe magazine. So there is questions that have to be asked. Why was Vibe really named in this lawsuit? And we have to see. No different than me sponsoring events. I sponsor events all the time. So we have to see how this is going to play out. And is there any meat on these bones, so to speak? Okay, who else we got in here? That part, where you been at, that part? You ask me where I've been at, where you been at. Okay, so I see that there's been a lot of talk. Oh, there you go. See, you're starting trouble. How do you do? There's been a lot of, I guess, chatter on a lot of talk about Miss Kayla Bumper's interview with Lil Woody. I saw the interview. I looked at the interview. And Kayla and I kind of had an exchange on Twitter as well. And I had an issue with her interviewing him, and I'll tell you why. He's still a sworn-in witness. He still is someone that is still under oath. The trial was paused, but that didn't give the witness the green light to start doing interviews, especially when you can be impeached on those interviews and things that were said. There were some things that were said that I had an issue with. For example, when attorney Bumpus was asking Woody, did he believe the transcript was complete? And he said, or something like, no. He said no. And she just started laughing. Now, that concerned a lot of people. A lot of people was wondering, so what has been redacted? What is missing? And that's the same argument that was put in the, I think, Brian Still's motion as well. So I'm not a fan of anyone conducting an interview while they're still sworn in. That's kind of crazy. I rarely see that. You're literally on the witness stand. There's a break in the trial, but you're doing interviews, and he's all over the place. Little Woody's all over the place doing interviews now. Someone asked me today, he said, Dennis, would you want to interview him? No, I'm not interested in interviewing him. Let's look at what his testimony is. Let's see what he says. What is he going to say on direct examination and cross examination? Right now, anyone trying to interview this guy, especially a member of the bar who temporarily represented him, it was a problem for me. So I kind of voiced that my concern about that. Everything's not for entertainment. There are people that are sitting in jail right now that haven't even gotten a bond, and they don't know what their fate is going to be. So and I'm not saying that she was using him for clout, but I think that most attorneys would probably have deferred that interviewed until after he's excused. So I thought that was kind of interesting. And I don't rush and do interviews just because the person is available. It has to make sense. It really has to make sense. And I think I've covered enough trials where I can see how this can backfire. I can see this really backfiring in Lil Woody's face, and I can also see that they can probably bring in attorney Bumpus and bring her in as a witness. I mean, there's a lot of things going on here. Like, I was real surprised. I was like, wait a minute, why are you even interviewing this guy? Why are you allowing this guy to be on your platform? Like, you're not fully in the clear either with this show cause. The judge hasn't, he alluded to maybe things may be referred to the bar. So I don't know. I just had an issue with that. And also, I don't want Lil Woody's willingness to talk be used against him. Or, like, this guy doesn't even have he's not benefiting from just talking. Well, he might be. I don't know. I can't say. I don't know. But he does know that DA Hilton and DA Love, ADA Love and Hilton, are looking at what he's doing online. They are investigating. They are watching the moves that he's making. They're looking at the motions. They're looking at everything. They know that this guy has at least another week on the stand, and then a cross-examination. And so this is real interesting. This is real interesting. So I that's why I didn't want to interview to bring it home. I didn't want to interview the guy, not at all. No different than I wanted to interview Tick or Adrian Bean. None of them. I mean, anyone that is in this guy, anyone has a similar situation as it relates to he's on probation. That's the other thing. Lil Woody's on probation. So you are walking on thin ice right now, and I don't know. It's just, I thought it was bad. It was a bad judgment call there. It's getting out of hand, that pal. It's getting out of hand. And I don't know why. And I've talked to other attorneys, and they said, Dennis, what the hell is she doing? I've talked to seasoned attorneys, veteran attorneys. What is she doing? Why is she interviewing the guy that she was a stand-in for? I think I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna welcome you guys. Welcome. Yeah, it didn't make any sense to me. It didn't make sense to me that she would literally be interviewing this guy. It was no value. And as I tweeted, I don't know if you guys those who follow me on Twitter, what I said is, whose interest was she serving? Was it the defense? Was it the prosecution? Was it the witness, or was it her? Who interest was she serving by doing that interview? Because for me, I'm like, this is bad. This is bad. Coupled with the fact that you're telling people that I'm not going to do this part to you till the numbers go up and everything. This is so much. This is a real life situation here. This is bad. I think I want some fish tonight. One second, guys. Thank you.
Hi, my friend. How are you?
How are you? You have my fish tonight?
Yes, we have.
My,
Dining?
yeah, I'm dying. Of course, I'm dining in. I never take out. Have I ever taken anything out? Never. I'm sitting here with you.
Just the fish and
You know, fish and the rice and grilled.
any bread?
A garlic naan.
Okay.
Can I get iced tea? Iced tea lemonade. Iced tea and lemonade. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I got a bus coming in about an hour. Don't worry. Sit them anywhere. I'm gonna sit. Who's over there? Is that okay? Is that? Not this one. This one here is good. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's see here. Yeah, jerk fish. Oh my goodness, jerk fish. Ooh. Don't do that. You didn't cook it, success. I know you didn't cook it. I know you didn't cook that. Huh?
Do you want tilapia or pomfret? Golden pomfret or tilapia?
No, the new fish always get, you know, the
Bone in or
bone in. Bone in. You already know. You already know. So, again, my issue was. How you doing? My issue was this could have waited. This could have waited. And I understand what she's trying to do. She's trying to start a YouTube channel. I get that part. I don't want to be he hating on it. No, it's just the timing. That it's all about the timing. The timing of this. The timing. This is a criminal trial. This is a RICO case. So, buddy, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, thank you. This is a RICO case. So, people have to move with that understanding that whatever you say can and will be used against you. No. I'm not eating Chinese food or tonight. I'm not doing that. I'm actually I'm doing Indian food tonight. Thank you. Let's see here. Hold on a second. No spicy soup. Don't do that. All right, listen. Listen. I think that the Judge Krause is going to decide probably tomorrow, and she's not going to recuse Judge Glanville. I think this is a lot of theatrics. I think the judge knows that the person, most of the people he probably donated to, and there are in the Fulton County courthouse, and I think that, which that's not so significant, because prosecutors and lawyers during the campaign for district attorney, DA, former DA Paul Howard, as well as Fonnie Willis, they both had lawyers. Thank you. They both had lawyers that was given donation. Oh, that's me. That's me. Hold on 1 second. Oh. Hold on 1 second, guy. Hold on. 1 second. My brother, I'm gonna call you back. I'm on a live. I'm gonna call you back. So I don't know. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. I'm on a live. Okay. There you go. Good lady. There you go. I don't like. I had the tandoori last week. Not tonight. But I want you guys to go check out my appearance on Court TV. They have it up on their channel, so it's the latest Diddy update. That is on Court TV. I will bring the clips over on my channel, but they have the full video, the full show there. There you go. You never know. You recognize that voice. You recognize that voice. You'll be like, oh, yeah, no, don't say anything. You guys are too smart out here. Don't say anything. They'll be making that voice a clip, a sound bite. Man, wait a minute. What the heck is going on? I don't, listen. Can anyone tell me how to change the ringtone on my iPhone? I need to change the ringtone on my iPhone. I have all factory. I haven't did anything to the iPhone. And I got the latest one. And I haven't did anything. I got the same ringtone. I need to swag my ringtone out a little bit. Yeah, it was actually a interesting person. Let's just say that. So what's been happening on the? Oh, hold on. Let me say this. So I did watch. The interview that infamous Sylvia did with attorney Doug Weinstein. It was actually one of her best lives. It was a good interview. She kept her guests engaged. It kept them engaging with the audience. It was a good interview. It was a real good interview. I was like, okay. I like to see more of this. Forget the jail business. Focus on doing this part of your platform. The jail business, but not really. No. Okay, settings, then sound, then haptics for ringtones. Okay. Go to settings. What the heck? Oh, shoot. Okay, settings. Come to settings. It says settings, sound, and okay, I got it. Ringtone opening. This is on. That's weak. Yeah, that's what I want. I want that. Okay. All right, now I know how to do it. Thank you. Okay. Appreciate you. What do you mean Nesto called? Wait, hold on. Nesto called. Tell me what happened. Nesto called who? What happened? My only due difference with that live on Court TV is I'm probably gonna have a brighter background. I wasn't too. It was okay. Oh wow. Oh, that's right. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I gotta listen. I gotta change my glasses, man, because these things are reflectors. No more, no more 2000 ringtones, man. You ain't ish. You ain't ish for that. You ain't ish for that. I've never changed my ringtones. I probably have a choice of many ringtones. I probably get assigned ringtones to different people. Yeah, I've never did that. You see? Wow. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. How's that? Now I can't see the damn phone. See, you don't see. See, you're no good. Okay. Welcome to 23. Give me a call. Let me see how it sounds. Give me a call. Call me right now. Call me right now. Good evening. Good evening. Call me right now. Yo, has anyone seen V Lenore? Has V Lenore, where has V been at? Where's she at? I wrote a poem for her. She went ghost. V Lenore ghosted me. V Lenore is ghosting me. I don't know what happened. She's scared. She don't want that lobster tail. She don't want that cream brulee. She ghosted me. I have not seen her. Well, I haven't been online, but I haven't got any notifications. What did you do to her? What? Let's see. Oh, she had it live yesterday? Okay. Okay, all right, all right. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. I will check it out. She had a good live yesterday? Oh, don't worry. Yeah, I know I gotta check my notifications. I missed it. Don't worry. I got a part two. I got a part two for V Lenore. I got a part two. You ready for the part two of V Lenore? I got a part two. I put that in my membership section. It was going crazy. I put that in my membership section. Yo, you are funny. I see the comment. I ain't gonna say nothing. Really? Okay, I'm gonna check that out. Yeah, I said you should send a cash app. How about I send a car to pick her up so we can cash app together? Oh my God. Okay, guys, my food is about to be here. I'll be back on soon, I promise. I just wanted to check in, let you guys know I'm good over here. I'm good. This place is a whole vibe right now. It's a whole vibe. Oh yeah, that I could do that. I could do that. I can do that. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you soon. I'm out.